my friends, what is up? I am delighted that you have tuned in again, or if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Ranim and I do beauty, hair and sometimes fashion videos. Today I'm going to show you how I created this super summery but also going out night makeup look. I don't know how you guys can give these makeup looks always these amazing names. Like in all of my makeup videos, I follow the rule less is more, and that means that I really do not use any heavy contouring, no fake eyelashes, no baking, no multiple layers of concealer or whatever. I really use an assortment of basic products that are super practical and can be used for many makeup looks. So yeah, today I'm going to show you how I created this look, and if you got interested, then keep watching. Alright my friends, let's start off with some priming. I'm gonna moisturize and protect my skin with these products by Reveal that I'm currently using. One is a protector, the other one is a complexion optimizer, and currently I'm just using a combination of both. Usually if I would go out during the day, I would also put a SPF on top. But since I'm creating a look for the night, we don't really need an SPF. Okay, next up is my favorite concealer of all time. It's the Bare Skin by Bare Minerals concealer in the shade Golden Medium, and for me it really has the perfect consistency. It's not too thick, but it's also not too thin. It really delivers the right amount of coverage that I need, and I also not only use it below my eyes but also on points that usually tend to be a little bit red, or even on little pimples. And then I distribute it with my hands. Of course, make sure that your hands are always washed. And the residual product I just blend out to the sides of my face. Alright, then I'm gonna set my face with a very light skin color powder. I'm using one by MAC that I've been using for ages, and I really just slightly tap it to fix the concealer and to make the face look less shiny. Also, I use it for my eyelids in order to prep them if I do after that some eyeshadow. No longer wanna feel, so no, I don't need. Alright, let's continue now with the eyebrows. I have recently discovered these soap brows, and ever since, it's like a few weeks ago, I've been using it, and I must say I really like their natural effect. And sometimes I even just use the soap brows without even filling in my eyebrows with a pencil. Today I'm gonna use a combination of both. So first I'm going to apply the soap gel onto my eyebrows, and if I see any holes in my eyebrows, I will fill them in with a pencil. Oh, and by the way, if you want to have an extra tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, also how I do it with the soap brows, just leave a comment in the comment section. What's going on between me and you? Can you be so blind? Nobody gets this feeling. Okay, now I've brushed everything up and it still looks a little bit crazy now, but I'm gonna keep it like this for now and let it dry with the soap inside. And in the meanwhile, I will fill up my eyebrows with the Benefit eyebrow pencil, just slightly in the spots down here below that are missing a few hair. Alrighty, and as as a last step, now that the soap brows are fully dry, I will just go along the upper part and form it, because I don't like it too spiky. Like that. Alright guys, so eyebrows are finally done, and now I'm going to continue with an eyeshadow that I've bought also only recently. It's my new all-round. I really love this product, and I realized it's perfect for traveling because you don't need any brushes or anything to take with it. You can just completely apply it with your hand and it will have a really nice effect. The product I'm talking about is the Charlotte Tilbury liquid eyeshadow in the shade Star Gold. And as I said, I will just apply this one all over my eyelid and then fade it out a little bit to the outside. And then I will distribute it with tapping motions. I really like this product because it's very high pigmented and it stays for a long while. Alright, so eyeshadow is almost done, but I also want to give it a little bit of more depth, so I'm going to use a brown eye pencil and go along my lash line with it. I really like this effect. It's very soft, but it makes a difference. It will also make your lashes look fuller. And I also like to draw a little bit of a wing. Let me make this a bit longer. Alright. Like this. Now I'm going to continue with some bronzer and some blush. I will be using the bronzer by MAC in the shade Medium Deep and use it to contour my face and make me look a little bit tanned. And I'm using circular motions to apply it. And sometimes I do this kind of W shape here because it's basically where the sun would hit you and will get you look tanned. So I use this as a kind of direction. Alright, for me this is definitely enough contouring and it's very light on the face, which I very much like. Going on with a blush, I'm using Le Blush by L'Oréal Paris. It's the shade Bois de Rose. I hope that's French enough. Or just number 145. And I will apply it on my cheeks. Alright, next up is some mascara to finish up the eye. And I'm using L'Oréal Volume Million Lashes. I'm not gonna use any fake eyelashes because I sincerely do not like it, and as you know, less is more, that's what I always say, and this is already a lot of makeup, so for me this is definitely enough. Alright, but it's not done yet. I still have to do the lips, and I'm gonna add also a little bit of highlighter, but first let's start off with the lips. So first I'm gonna put some primer on the lips. For that I use any kind of lip balm. Alright, so I'm gonna put a rusty red on my lips, which is kind of matte. But before I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna contour my lips. And unfortunately, I do not really have a color that matches, but I often just use some sort of nude brown. Even if my lips will turn out red in the end, I will just use the brown shade because I realized it's also fine. It gives you some kind of contouring, even though it's not the correct shade of your lipstick. But we will cover it anyway with the lipstick. So right now I'm just going to use one by Huda Beauty in Trendsetter. And really, I'm just gonna contour, I'm not gonna fill out.
Oh no.
Now I'm gonna add the lipstick by MAC, the one I told you about in the name devoted to chili. Because I think there is a lipstick called chili and this one is devoted to the chili lipstick. See how it blends with the brown contouring, so it really doesn't matter that much if it's not the right color. Alright guys, we are almost done. I'm just gonna grab my eyeshadow I used before and use it a little bit as a highlighter. For that I really just take a little bit on my finger and I tap it above my cheekbones. It's really just a tiny effect, but it goes very nicely with the eyeshadow. Alright, makeup is done. I decided I want to finalize the look with some accessories, so I'm going to put some nice earrings now. And the other side. Alrighty, and to finalize the look for real, I will open up my hair. Shake through them a little bit to get some of the volume back. That's it guys, this is the final look. I really like this look, and as you can see, it is very easy to make it with just a few products. It's not too heavy on the face, and it's definitely giving you the wow effect for a girls' night out, for a date, or for an Instagram photo, I don't know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe, because there will be much more to come. And yes, if you have any suggestions for any further videos or feedback, please make sure to leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! Mwah.